Hey y'all, it's your girl Bree. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you're not a new girl. What it do, y'all? Today we get into a little boho braid action. I know you've seen it, the viral freaking natural hairstyle that's been going around the internet world for a few weeks now. First of all, I was not gonna try this because my thick natural hair type 4A, B, and C, for all I know, I didn't think it was gonna do it. I didn't think it was gonna work out with me keeping hair out of my braids and just leaving it out for it to curl up on its own. I just thought it was a disaster waiting to happen. But my sister talked me into doing this style, y'all. And as you can see, she came out, it's giving. It's given. But before I get into the whole how-to part, how I did it, it's not really a tutorial. It's just me showing you guys how I did mine, into how to minimize like frizz and tangles and all that. I'll give you guys my tips and tricks on how I did my boho braids. So if you want to see how I did these boho braids, keep on watching. Jumping right into this parting situation, girl. I be thinking I can part, right? Until it's time to actually part. I don't know what I was thinking. Y'all gonna see, but I thought my parts were straighter than what they actually were. And I really tried. But the good news is it's the back. You know, like the back is the back and it's fine. It's fine. But to start, I just go ahead and do like a rough draft part, if you will. Yeah, we're gonna call it that, a rough draft part, just to see where I want my section to fall, how big I want them to be, how wide I want them to be, and all of that. And also gives me a sense of how many sections I will have in the end. So yeah, like I said, this part is not at all straight. It's giving very much U part, which is quite embarrassing, but you know, that's okay. I went on ahead and fixed it as best I could later on, but you're about to see this first attempt at fixing it. All I did was make a baby U off the big U. I couldn't believe it, y'all. I was really over it at this point because it took a lot. I was really trying my best. But after I get the part as straight as I possibly can, it's now time to section it, you know, for my actual braiding sections, which I took some Shine and Jam and put it in my part because that's what the braiders do. And I take my rat tail comb, go through that again, and it makes the part as straight as it possibly can be, which it came out real crispy and I liked it. See how they whipping that Chevy Impala speaker souped up, cause you know when they rollin' they gotta. So I learned the hard way that I was applying way too much mousse to my hair. Now my hair, if it's too wet, then it won't hold the curling product, like the product that's supposed to make it curl. It won't hold it. It's like the water is diluting that product, so it won't curl. And so I was definitely using too much mousse, but I ended up fixing it as I got further along in my head. But I did use a mousse and I used gel, my Wetline Extreme gel. If you're new here, that's my favorite gel of all time. So I used that and just put it on top, and I made sure to really go in and define the ends of my hair so that they would curl up really, really nicely. Now it's time to make these braids boho, girl, which is just taking pieces of your braid out so that they are left being curly at the end of it. That's what makes these braids boho. So to do that, girl, I'm tripping on my words. So to do that, I use a clip. Now I've seen a lot of people, they take their piece out, right, and they put it in their mouth, but I didn't want to do that because I didn't want to be tasting the products that are on my hair. So I used a clip and I just clipped it up either to the braid. In some sections I just clipped it like in my hair, and that was easier for me to make sure to keep a piece out but still continuing the braid all the way down. So this turned out to be easier than I thought, right? I thought I was going to be, you know, tripping over the pieces, still putting them in the braid, but it actually wasn't that bad. And as you can see, my hair curled right on up because I put that gel at the ends of my hair to really help it to form a curl. I also want to note that I didn't take out big sections. Girl, my hair, I know my hair, and if I would have taken out huge sections for it to give the boho effect, it would have just gave frizz. Like you can see here, some of the pieces are already frizzy, and if it were bigger than that, girl, I would have a hard time trying to keep those sections curled and it probably wouldn't last as long as I'm thinking these will last. So yeah, again, I just take a clip, and this is me putting the clip in my hair just to keep it out of the way so that I don't mistakenly braid it back up into the braid. But this was so easy, y'all, and once you get the hang of it, like, it's really not that bad. You just clip it, girl, and keep it pushing. And again, smaller sections work best for me because my hair is really dry and is prone to frizz, and so I just did the smaller sections to be on the safe side. 4 hours later, I'm on my last freaking row. It's thundering outside, so if you can hear that, that's what it is. I want to say I started to take all these out like so many times. Like, I was like, you know what, this is not worth it. No, this is not worth it. And then there was a point where I had just finished the back, like the first 2 rows, and I was like, this does not look cute at all. And I was just really not feeling it. But I decided, you know what, I'm gonna stick it out. I gotta stick it out. I gotta see it through. I have to at this point because I already started. But like, honestly, I don't know if I could see myself doing these again. As of right now, I don't know. One thing for sure, the ones in the back, ain't it? Girl, the parts are all different sizes. All different sizes. As of right now, this is too much. This is too much for me. So this is how my hair turned out, y'all. I am loving it, okay? I'm loving it. I'm shocked that I love it so much because I was so against them in the beginning. Like, everybody else that have done them that I've seen, bomb. They're so cute on them. You know, it looks good. Their hair is doing great. Love the style. I just didn't think my hair was gonna go for it. But she did. I got her right. I got her right. She did. She acted right for me. You know, I met her in the middle. Sometimes all it takes is meeting your hair in the middle. Just meet her in the middle. Even though I wanted to quit so many times in the middle, I'm glad I saw it through and I stuck it out. I absolutely love it. Now, would I do these again? I don't know. No, I might. I actually might do these again because I really have to fix this parting situation in the back. Y'all saw, like, your girl, no, now that I know that it's gonna come out and look good, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and spruce up the parting. I feel like I should do it at least one more time to make sure my parting is on point. I think I would try these at least one more time. Gotta do it one more time. Was it worth it? I think they are worth it. I really do, because I feel like I could wear these for a long time, and because I took out smaller pieces of hair, I feel like the style will last a lot longer. I've seen that some people have only been getting like a week's wear out of them. I feel like I could do like a week and a half to 2 weeks, to be honest with you. But we're gonna see, only time will tell. But I think it was worth it. I absolutely love it. My hair is put away. I don't have to do my hair in the morning. That's always a win for me. It's always a win for me. But yeah, this is how I did my hair. A few things I learned, girl, I don't have to leave out a whole bunch of hair. Leaving out a whole bunch of hair was not even an option for me. So I just took out the smaller pieces that I need to take out, and it's still giving. Like, she's still giving, okay? She's still giving. Look at that. She's still giving the boho-ness. I will create a video on how I refresh it during the mornings before I go out and wear the style, because I did have to do that this morning because I had somewhere to be. Stay tuned for the video on that. I'll shout out to my sissy poo for making me do this style. Really, she made me. She was like, how about you just try the boho braids? And I was like, girl, no, I ain't doing that. My hair get all tangled. And she was like, just do it. Like, I think it'll be cute. So here we go. Let me know what you think of these boho braids down in the comment section below. Let me know down below. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys in this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up because it helps me out. It lets me know that you guys are enjoying the content, and it helps with the daggone YouTube algorithm. If you know YouTube, it just feeds off your likes. So please like this video and share it. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, girl, make sure you subscribe to this channel. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I don't know if you peeped. I don't know if you peeped, but you should go ahead and peep that subscriber count and make sure you're a part of the subscriber count. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to be notified each and every time you go post a new video. That's all I have for you guys in this one. I'll catch y'all in my next one. Bye. Bye.
between us just like paper fences. You got issues that I